most of people who judge you or criticize your life are the ones who are not doing better than you. There are people who don't mind their own business. They want to mind other people's business, or after minding other people's business or judging other people, what they are benefit nothing, because their lives is miserable. They don't know how they can solve their problems. So sometimes you have to mind your own business because you want to judge other people to see what's going on next door, or like maybe you already solve your own thing. Everyone have got problems, guys. There is no one who doesn't have problems. So sometimes you have to learn to mind your own business than to mind other people's business, because most of the time when you are judging those people, their life is better. You are judging people who are more better than you, because sometimes the guys, especially on funerals, when you see those people who want to judge others, if you look at their home, because on funerals is the time you visit those people, whether they like it or not, you can see their home where they are staying. But that person was like to judge other people's life, what, you understand? So you have to learn to fix your own problems. You want to talk about other people's life, other people's marriages, like your own marriage is okay.